This is the practice question we want to consider. Before we go into it, may you please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and also following. Question yedu iri kuti, find the product 22 minus 45 multiplying minus 37 minus 9 minus 8. We want to multiply those. So tikatarisa pano, tinoda kumultiply 2 minus 4 5. But as you should have noticed, kana tichinyora a row matrix tinoisa makoma. You should have noticed this. Kureva kuti patanyora this row matrix tangachifanirwa kuisa makoma like this. As kana iri a column matrix, we don't have to do that. Tachifanirwa kuisa makoma panapa, and tachifanirwa kuisa zvakare makoma apo like that. I don't think it's faulty kusamaisa, but it's just part of mathematical notation. So do it like that. Saka tanyora our row matrix panapa because we have one row and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. This is multiplying. This is minus 3, 7, minus 9, minus 8. It's multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4. Saka this is a 4 by 1 matrix, meaning it's a column matrix. So as we can see, in our first matrix, we only have one row. In the multiplying matrix, we only have one column. Kureva kuti they can multiply. The other way of putting it, which is actually more accurate, ndeyekuti in our first row matrix tine columns mangani? Tine 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. What about in this column matrix tine rows mangani? Tine 1, 2, 3, 4. Saka zviri kufanirwa kumatch up basically a number of elements inside either matrix. Saka we have to add actually a twitch here on this general statement, that if and only if the number of rows in the, we can actually say panaba, the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the next. I think this becomes more accurate. Why tadaro? Because panapa we have how many columns? 1, 2, 3. Then here we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Ndo zvatiri kuda kuti zvimatch. Kuitira kuti A awane chekumultiplier, B awane chekumultiplier, C awane chekumultiplier. In other terms, tiri kuti, let us say kuti panapa panga pakati A, B, C multiplying A, B, C, D like that. Izvo zvikwanise kumultiply because A achanomultiplier A unoyo, B omultiplier B uyo, C omultiplier C unoyo. Then hatichisina chicha multiplier D. Mazona, hatichisina chicha multiplier D. So this is a correction which we should have made. And I'm glad we made it. Saka panapa we have, in this row matrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. In this column matrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Let us now do our multiplication. But before we do our multiplication, let us predetermine kuti answer yedu inofanirwa kubuda yakaita sei. Mabudiro anoita answer yedu apo. Tati kuti tizive kuti answer inobuda yakaita sei, tinonyora ma-orders. The order of this matrix, it's how many rows panapa? We have only one row, multiplying how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. This is multiplying. Then panapa, how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, multiplying how many columns? Only one column, like this. Then toenda pakati, tesaka box kedu, toka shader like this. Answer yedu should be a 1 by 1. Without it should be a single number. If we do our multiplication under this knowledge, we can see kuti our answer is going to be like this. 2 iyo cha multiply minus 3 plus 2 iyo you multiply 7 plus minus 4 iyo you multiply minus 9 plus 5 you multiply minus 8. Everything chawana chekumecha nacho. This is equal to 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6, plus 2 times 7, 14, then minus 4 times minus 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, kureva kuti apo it's going to be plus 36, and 5 times minus 8 and minus 40. Let us solve that. Saka we can pick up, we rearrange like this, 14 plus 36 minus 6 minus 40. And so this will be what? It's actually 14 plus 30. 30 from 36 minus 6 minus 40. What is 14 plus 30? 4 plus 0 and 1 plus 3. So it's 44 minus 40, which is equal to 4, like that. And that will be our answer. But answer yedu tichigona kuinyora iri brackets, tinotenderwa zvakare kungoinyora takati our answer is going to be equal to 4. So that is how it is done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Ask in the comments or ask directly on my numbers.